Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making onion rings. You will need 1 white onion, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of panko breadcrumbs, 1 cup of sparkling water, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. Using a sharp knife or a mandolin and a cut-resistant glove, cut your onion into 1/4 inch slices. Separate them to form your rings, then set them aside until later. In a large bowl, combine the flour and cornstarch. Now add the salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper, then whisk until well combined. Add the sparkling water, then mix until well combined. Now dredge your onion ring into the batter and then into the panko breadcrumbs, then place them on a wire rack. Preheat your oil to 350 degrees, then fry your onion rings for 2 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. After 2 minutes, remove them from the oil and then they are ready to serve. If you're looking for a recipe that will give you the crispiest onion rings, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps